Vertiv SmartRun is our prefabricated white space module that significantly cuts fit-out time, accelerating time to token. Prefabrication addresses skilled labor shortages and site complexity, enabling faster, more reliable deployments. With rising rack densities, mechanical, electrical, and IT systems must be treated as one. Vertiv bridges gray and white space seamlessly. Vertiv owns the full power and thermal stack. This deep integration is a strategic advantage we pass on to our customers.